We were approved through the Global Fund for Children to become a grantee since 2009, and that helped us, which is what bring us to this day, whereby we are now part of the Adobe Youth Voices program, whereby we are doing media literacy, right, where our youngsters are not just having camps, but now they are they're telling their stories. Because one thing I find very therapeutic is when they get an opportunity to speak. Because what you find is that so many of our youngsters in these communities are traumatized through the violence, the abuse, the oppression, right? And what Adobe Youth Voices allows for them to do is to speak up. It gives them a voice, it gives them a chance to be heard, and also a chance to be healed from the pain and the suffering. The 4 videos you're going to be seeing later on are only 4 samples of what we can do and what we are doing, right? Some of the stories we've been having to bring in help, so to speak, because some of what we found out been happening to our young people, I can't just allow the story to be told just like that. We have to seek help for them to get through the trauma, right? So the ones you'll be seeing are a sample of what we can do and what will come, and they will be used as a source of teaching, as a source of guidance and things to draw on for other entities.
I'm going to speak about a movie that I've planned and organized and I've done. It's named I Can Help You. Later on you'll see the film shortly on there. When I first think about this creative idea of creating this enthusiastic, fascinating, enjoyable, and this joyous movie, I Can Help You. First thing that came to mind, empowering the minds of others, especially getting people and young people to think positively, creatively, deeply internally, to utilize and exercise their intellectual ability and skills. The main message that I am sending out through this creative movie is to let people know what's taking place and what life is in the ghetto. Youngsters are seeking help but cannot find, and when they cannot find, they are forced to do wrong things and to do violent acts. My aim is to let this movie reach the highest level of the movie industry and to be classified as one of or the best movie that I've ever seen on planet Earth. It does hit hard words, a lot of practices. I tried it as a sketch at the Peace Day presentation at the Ministry of Health. The audience response was great. They saw the performance fantastic, isn't it? Yeah. From Ministry of Health. Yeah. I saw the performance very marvelous also. From there, I saw that I could move further on with this story. But I am very enthused and fascinated after so much hard work that have been in place. But it does pay off. See now in front of me, a group that have come out to listen to my speech and see my presentation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the film.